Now, let us dive deeper into the topic modules. How to create a module? How does it works? Order of execution of single modules. How to create a module? A module can be created using an Angular JavaScript function angular.module. It is a global place for creating and retrieving Angular JavaScript modules. Here's a program to create a module. How does a module works? Using a module, we can organize the application logic into modules and make them work together using dependency injection. Once, look on to the last word, dependency injection. It is nothing but a software design that deals with how components get hold of their dependencies. Dependency means service and injection means passing of dependency to the client. Order of execution of single module. Provider function is executed so that they and the services they provide are available to the injector. After that, configuration blocks are executed. Configuration blocks of the required module execute before any required module executes. Registration in configuration blocks. It is recommended to register in the injectables directly with the module API, that is application programming interface. Services, directives, etc. can be registered using provide. Run blocks. It is the closest one in Angular JavaScript to the main method. It's just a code that needs to kickstart the application. These are executed after all the service has been configured and injector has been created. These are declared in isolated modules as they contain typically hard codes for unit tests so that they can be ignored during unit tests. Unit testing. It is the way of instantiating a subset of an application. Small structured modules keep unit tests concise and focused. Each module can only be loaded once per the injector. Each test has its own injector and modules are loaded multiple times. Thank you for watching the video and see you soon.